Hi, I'm Bill from Creative Kiwis Tech Lab. Just a little promo that we are now running online courses. In particular, these ones are about using an Android devices, smartphone or a tablet basically. So a lot of people buy a phone but then they don't realise all the things you can do. As you can see, I've got a mid-range smartphone, so I've got about 130 apps, just because you can. But they're all handy for various things. So there is online tutorials, but this one takes you through the real basics with text and with videos. So it's called Creative Kiwis Tech Lab, running Android device tutorials. You can get more information simply by going to creativekiwis.com. There'll be information up there about how to join the course, how to get the tutorials, and at the end of it you get a certificate to say you've completed the course. So there's going to be about 3 or 4 of them. The Android first course is just the basics, just an overview of Android phones, how to make a phone call, receive a phone call, how to make a text, receive a text, how to send an email, receive an email, how to use Google Contacts, how to use Google Chrome browser. So those are all, the things that are there. That's for the basic one. Then we've got several others, but you can get more details at creativekiwis.com. We look forward to hearing from you.